decisions to hide. Back up, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong. Headstrong, we're headstrong. Back up, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong, and this is not where you belong. That's over. I see your motives inside, decisions to hide. Back up, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong. Headstrong, we're headstrong. Back up, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong, and this is not where you belong. And your decision to hide. Back up, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong. Headstrong, we're headstrong. Back up, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong, and this is not where you belong. Where you belong. That you listen. For I'm no creation. Resounding voice for concatenation. Resounding voice for I'm no creation. 遅延行 So what you say unknown creation So what you say unknown creation So what you say unknown creation I get ready 24/7のスパイスとかブラインドライブするペースメーカーつながれ輪になれ広がれサラウンド天たち力ピースメーカー We are スキルアタッチどんなマガジンにも載ってないビッグピングをパンプキンヘッドバッキン振動させ全部意味がある力ピースメーカーサイブオリック無限のパワーまるでライテンヒートでスターワーアドレナリンとちょっとしいでしょ So what you say I know creation Resounding voice for content and nation Resounding voice for unknown creation Resounding voice 握ったマイクロフォンとペンがかつてかい音と線が刺す逆速の遅延行 So what you say unknown creation So what you say unknown creation So what you say unknown creation Resounding voice Resounding voice Resounding voice Resounding voice What? Resounding voice and what? Resounding voice and what? Resounding voice and what? So what you say unknown creation
Hip-hop is dead. Hip-hop is dead. Hip-hop is dead. Hip-hop.
If hip-hop should die before I wake, I put an extended clip inside of my ear. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. If hip-hop should die before I wake, I put an extended clip inside of my ear. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. Roll at every station, murder the DJ.
Hip-hop just died this morning and she's dead. She's dead.
Yeah, sick and smoke, laugh, party, and die in the same corner. Get cash, live fast, body, they man's mama. Rich as heads, sick and riding with 3 llamas. Revenge in their eyes, Hennessy in the eyes. Not a word to the wise, with villain state of minds. Grinded, hitting Brazilian dimes from behind. Grinded, hitting Brazilian dimes from behind.
Grinded, hitting Brazilian dimes from behind.
Whenever, if ever, I roll up and sewn up. Any ghetto would tell you Nas help grow what's up. My face once graced promotional Sony trucks. 100 million in billing, I helped blow them up. Gave money in my right, I could've gave left. So like my girl Foxy, and then went deaf. So nigga, who's your top 10? Is it MC Shan? Is it MC Ren? If hip-hop should die before I wake, I put an extended clip inside of my ear. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. If hip-hop should die before I wake, I put an extended clip inside of my ear. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. Roll at every station, murder the DJ.
Hip-hop just died this morning and she's dead. She's dead.
The bigger the cap, the bigger the pillin'. Come through something ill, missing the ceiling. What influenced my rap? Stick-ups and killings, kidnappings, project buildings, drug dealings. Criticize that, why is that? Cause Nas rap is compared to legitimized crap. Cause we love to talk on we getting. Most intellectuals will only half listen. So you can't blame jazz musicians or David Stern with his NBA fashion issues. Oh, I think they like me and my white tee. You can't ice me, we here for life, B. On my second marriage, hip-hop's my first wifey. And for that, we not taking it lightly. If Hip hop should die, we die together. Bodies in the morgue lie together, all together now. If hip hop should die before I wake, I put an extended clip inside of my ear, yeah. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. If hip hop should die before I wake, I put an extended clip inside of my ear, yeah. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. Roll at every station, murder the DJ. Everybody sound the same, commercialize the game, reminiscing when it wasn't all business, if it got where it started. So we all gather here for the dearly departed. Hip-hopper since a toddler. One homeboy became a man, then a mobster. If it dies, let me get my last swig of vodka. R.I.P. would donate your lungs to a roster. Went from turntables to MP3s, from Beat Street to commercials on Mickey D's, from gold cables to Jacobs, from plain facials to Botox and facelifts. I'm looking over my shoulder. It's about 80s again from my hood that showed up, and they came to show love. Sold out concert and the doors are closed shut.